All right, so today you're going to be practicing developing linear equations from a scenario. So this is really going to be kind of a matching day where you have to be able to get those word problems analyzed and create the equation. Okay, so to help us with that, we're going to do just a few problems together. I want you to hit pause and figure out what is my M, what is my B, what is my equation for these 4 problems. And pay attention to signs because there's a few tricky things in here that might mess you up. So hit pause, see what you can do with these. Okay, let's see how you did. You rent a bicycle for $20 plus $2 per hour. That is my B. $2 per hour. There is my slope. So the M is 2. So y equals 2x plus 20. Okay, a repair shop charges $50 plus 25 per hour. So this is the part that's not going to change. That is my B. This is the part that's going to change. So y equals 25x plus 50. Okay, a candle is 6 inches tall. That is my B. It burns at a rate of ½ inch per hour. Well, I need to think about that for a second because here's the candle. That means it is getting smaller. So that means this is actually negative. So my slope is actually negative 1/2. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6. Negative 1/2 x plus 6. And the last one, the temperature is 15 degrees and expected to fall. That means that is negative. Each hour, there's that magic word, per, each, every. So my negative 2 and my 15, y equals negative 2x plus 15. All right, let's see if we can solve this problem all the way through. So hit pause, see if you can come up with the equation, and then try to figure out what Orlando's population will be in 2010. So in 1995, Orlando, Florida was about 175,000. At that time, the population was growing at a rate of about 2,000 per year. Write an equation in slope-intercept form to find Orlando's population for any year. Well, hopefully you realize that 175,000 was my starting point, which means this 2,000 is my slope. So y equals 2,000x plus 175,000. Okay, predict what Orlando's population will be in 2010. So I guess I have to figure out what I'm going to do with this 2010. So is that a total? Is that X? How do I handle years? Well, let's think about this. What year did it start? What started in 1995? So I was at 1995. I went to 2010. So how many years is that? That's 15 years. Okay, so I'm really looking at 15 years. Is that a total or is that X? It's X. So 2,000 times 15 plus 175,000 is going to give me my total. So let's go ahead and pull that up and see what we're going to get here. So 2,000 times 15 plus 175,000. Remember, we don't use commas in the calculator. That is a total of 205. So 205,000 what? Bananas? Nope, it's people or population. So it's a population of 205,000 people. I can actually get rid of that 1,000 if I want to and just write people. Okay, so that's what you're working on today. All right, so you're going to do a matching activity and answer some questions, determining whether or not it's my X or whether or not it's my total. Take your time, do a good job. And if you're stuck, ask a question because you've got a test coming up.